Today I want to share with you this painting process. Come with me as we go into work. So after having my sketch on the canvas using the picture reference, then I fix on the start to apply the color based on the skin tone, as you can see into the edition. Working with my boys was one of the amazing. Here I was just teaching them how to paint. I'm just trying to groom them, mentor them, and make them valuable to the society. So me being their mentorship was really really amazing, and they were really really happy to learn with me. If it is your first time coming across this channel, subscribe and stay tuned for more art tutorial and tips. Here I teach and I show my process of work, as you can see here. So if it helps anybody that is interested in learning painting or charcoal pencil, you can invite them to follow, or you can refer them to subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Facebook for more art tips and tutorial. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, well, these little tips can help you take your art to the next level. So if you watch this video up to now, I want to thank you for your support. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, help me share, comments, let me know what you think. As you can see, this is a portrait of one of the greatest man in Yoruba's line, Baba Ejebu. On his birthday, I was privileged to paint him on his birthday. So it was really really amazing to get this portrait done. So we are done with the portrait. This is the packaging, how I frame it as I'm revealing here. So don't forget to share and watch this video till the end so that you not miss anything. So this was really really great, and I was really really happy to do this kind of work. So you see, it's on the plastic, everything comes out very well and clean, nice and clean. Trying to clean it to make it more shiner. Oh, hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and tips. The only advice I can give it to you is keep creating, keep making your artwork. You may not know how it become better. For me, this is how I've been doing, and this is what I'm made of. So this is the packaging. After here, I go to the park to get a vehicle that will convert the goods. This is the finished work. This is the finished purchase. You can see I go to the park and I get a bus to come to my house and pick it up to Lagos State. Yes. So we're just discussing about this thing. So after we took it to the car, measure it and put everything, was ready to hit the road. Yes. Yeah, so on our way to Lagos. Yeah, just got to Lagos. Hope you enjoy it. See you in my next video. Love you. So here I just hand over the work to the clients, and they really love it on his birthday.